Hi, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use the environmental sound classification system produced for our GDP project. As you can see, we're currently on the homepage of the website, and up here you can access the homepage, the about page, the audio moth management page, the upload page, the FAQ page, and the login page. There's also a button down here to upload your data. If you click on this, you need to be logged in. If you don't have an account, come down here and create one. This is a completely standalone account and is not the same as your university account. I'm just going to create one and then I'll be right back. Okay, so once you've created your account, you're taken to the login screen where you can log in. Once you're logged in, you're taken to your account page. You can also access this page if you're already logged in by clicking this icon up here. The next thing you're going to want to do is create a group. You give this any name you want. As you can see, I now have a group. The next step is to go to the upload page. You select a group you want to upload to, and then you need to add the devices in your upload folder. So, the upload folder. As you can see, I have an example here, and it contains devices, and then in each device folder it contains the device day and the device night. Within these folders you have your months, and within these folders you have your sounds. This is the same structure that can be seen on this page here. What you want to do is highlight all of your device folders, right click and send to zip if you're on a Windows. If you're on a Mac or a Linux system it will be different. You then want to come back to the upload page and start adding the devices present in your upload folder, in our case river and rocks. So the device name comes from the folder within the device folder, so in our case the device is going to be river day or river night. The device name, sorry, is going to be river day, and then the location name is just going to be river, which is the name of this folder in your upload. Supply latitude and longitude. I'm just going to use dummy values for these. You can also provide a description such as what the sensor is set to record, or anything you want really to talk about it. I'm just going to say it's a gunshot detector. You can also then just choose a deployment date, and you select if it's currently active or not. If it's not currently active, you can also select the removal date. I'm going to do this for the rest of our devices and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, all of my devices are now added, but I've made a mistake with river day. This should be capitals, as that is how it's defined in our upload folder. But no worries, you can just click the edit button and then you can come and change any details you need to before saving the correct version. Once you've added all your devices into this, click save. Once you've added your devices, you want to come down to your upload panel. Here you give it a name. You select a visibility, although this isn't fully implemented yet and doesn't do anything, and then you choose your upload folder. In our case, it's the zip folder we created earlier. Once that's done, you click upload and wait, and the system will then upload and classify your sound files. Once the system is done classifying your sound files, you'll be redirected to the overview page. From here, you can see a heat map with your data. You can see information about your data, such as the total number of gunshots detected, chainsaws and howler monkeys. You can also see occurrences over time. In this panel you have information about the classification. Each of these represents a different sound, and if you click on the information it brings up the file name, the classification, when it was recorded, and the confidence values. In this case it's 100% certain that this sound is a chainsaw. However, if we choose to look at this sound, we can see it has 15% confidence it's a bird and 79% confidence it's sensor noise. You can also filter your data by using this panel here. You can select a time frame for the sliders to work on, so our data goes from the 1st of January to the 24th, and we've selected days, so we'll be able to step through day by day. As you can see, the from is updating one day at a time. When we update these filters, you can see our total sounds decreasing, as we'd expect, as we're looking at a lower and lower time window. And the data also changes to reflect what we've filtered to. You can also filter by months and weeks if you want less granularity. If you'd like to listen to the sounds, you can enable audio compression to do so, or you can leave it off, it's up to you, and then click this play button here. You can also filter out by different sound classes. For example, if I only wanted gunshots, I could uncheck everything else, and I would only be left with gunshots. You can also download the data if you would like a copy of it off-platform. You can download a CSV or you can download all. The CSV is contained within the download all, as I'll show you now. This is the folder that's downloaded when you select download all. As you can see, this contains folders for every class as well as the unknown. Within these folders you can find all of the sounds it believes belong to that class. You can also find a CSV file which details information about the classification, including the file name, the detected sound and the confidence. You can see a previously uploaded project by going to your account and then clicking view next to the relevant project. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.